Hi guys, it's Nilavan and welcome back to another Minecraft video where today I'm showing you how to build a automatic furnace cooker. Yes, and that's in this house. Let's open it and yeah, so let's get the materials we need. We need the coal, the raw fish, like that. Put the coal here and you see it's getting all the coal and all the raw fish here, and it will cooking here like that. See, it's 16 becomes 17. Let's wait for the next. See, it becomes 18. So these are the basics of this build. These are, see, there's a chest here where you stack the coal and it will put it in this furnace, and the chest there that put the raw fish there or other food or ores, and a hopper there that will get the cooked items, and the item elevator that we build last episode or video, in our last video. Yeah, look at this bad boy. Let's try this. Boop, 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 boop. Put that there. Put. Like that, see? And it's raining up here. It's an item elevator. Yeah, let's build this. So here's what you need. You need a redstone, a block of choice, a chest, a dropper, a furnace, a hopper, a redstone comparator, and a redstone torch. First of all, you need to dig up 3 by 5 and 3 deeps, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 there, and back to the beginning, and take this off, and 3 blocks low more. So yeah, so here is, let's put the a block of choice there, put a chest there, put a hopper there. Oh no, I'll come back when it's fixed. Alright, it's fixed. And now put a furnace there, put a hopper, and now put the block of choice there. Take off this hopper, put a hopper there, put that there. Let's put the hopper right here. Let's crouch, jump to put it. Oh no, and let's put the chest. Oh, let's put the chest there. Put another hopper there, and yeah, you're pretty much done. Now, for the basics, you just need to take a redstone comparator, place it there, put the block of choice there, put the redstone torch there, put a block on top of it. This is really hard work. Put a block there, put the redstone there, put the redstone torch there, and repeat it again. Oh no, Let's put the redstone comparator there. Redstone comparator, block, the redstone torch, block, redstone torch, and you're done. Now just hide this up like this, and this. Dot 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 dot. Dot 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 dot. So it's the same. Dot, dot, dot. Put the glass here, or you cannot put it. So yeah, just cover this up. There, put it there, put it there, put it there, put it there, put that there, and let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. So let's put the coal here. Put the fish there. Put that there. Put this there. And let's wait. Oh, see, it's cooking. It's cooking it because it has a light. And yeah, it works. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and I hope you enjoy. Please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to learn more Minecraft Redstone creations. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.